So I'm Alice Thompson. I am a purpose coach and the co-founder of Social Bite, a social enterprise in Scotland. And it's awesome to be here today at the Northern Ireland 30 Under 30 Climate Positive Changemakers event. And today we are looking into finding their purpose, looking into their why, their deeper cause, what they really believe in, and how they can bring that to light in their life with their generation to make a really positive impact on the world. It's really an inspiring event here today. It's great to see Dave Linton from Madlug speaking, another really inspiring piece of work there. And so a huge thank you and well done to all the organizations that have made this possible and brought together these young people to really dive into the depths of their purpose and see what they can bring to the world to make a positive effect on the world.